Hi, I'm Mr. Ed, Chief Propeller Head and Project Manager for the AgoraCart project. In this screencast, I'm going to cover upgrading your Gold version 5.5 store to Gold version 6. Now, this requires your Gold version to be up to date, as well as that you've had a Gold version 6 license added to your account. Now, if you are one of the original lifetime members, you can actually do this for free. And to activate it, what you need to do is go to the Gold version user forums to get the information on what the process is. But basically, to start, what you need to do is log into your store manager. If I get the credentials correct here. Okay, and then once you're in, what you need to do is go into the AgoraCart management and systems, or settings, sorry. Go down to upgrade the cart modules, which will bring up the upgrade manager. Okay, and the first step you need to do in this process is to make sure that all your modules are up to date. Specifically, and more critically, the upgrade manager needs to be up to date. So if it's not up to date, just click that, update it. As you can see, we've updated it. Scroll down, kind of verify that it has been updated. We'll go ahead and update this other manager just to make it easier. Okay, but to actually do the bulk of the upgrade, we need to download a special module for that. So what we do is scroll down to the bottom here and then click on the install. And what that'll do is install the module that we need. Okay, so now that it's installed, we need to go back to our management systems, and you'll see that there's a new option here called Upgrade Your Store to V6 Gold. Okay, so we just click on that, and then what this will do is bring up kind of an initial screen, and it's kind of important to make sure that you read all the information here, because there are a lot of significant changes to the cart. Basically, what it's going to do is tell you whether your version 6 credentials are correct, and any other pertinent information about what's operating on your system. Also list your primary gateway. In this case, it's offline for this demo. It also lists any gateways that are no longer supported. So if you're using those, it's wise not to update at all. And then it also gives some disclaimers as far as how the process is going to work. Okay, so basically, just to get this upgrade rolling, we scroll down and hit the Update Now button, and what that's going to do is do the heavy lifting for us to get this store updated. So I'll go ahead and click on that now. And as you can see, what it's done is it's going through and doing quite a bit of stuff. It'll move a lot of files around, delete unnecessary files. It's going to update any custom files, or I should say add-on files that you have. And as you can see, we can scroll down, there's quite a bit of information, and it goes through and basically lists everything that it's done. If you want to print this out, go ahead, and this is the time to print it out so you can see exactly what was done and what was not done, and if there was any failures, it's going to make a note of that. In this case, everything worked well, and so basically the bulk of the update's actually done for us now. So we just click on this button down at the bottom, go back to the store manager, and as you can see, it's already significantly different. So as you can see, the whole update as far as replacing your files and everything only takes a matter of seconds, so it's a really easy update in that regard. Now what you need to do is actually go through all your gateways, all your manager settings, and save each one, because there are a lot of changes, but the critical ones, of at least so that you can use your store manager, have already been updated for you. So that concludes this screencast, and I hope you enjoyed the information.